Hello everyone, I'm Manuel. If you want ideas for a creamy second course that's easy to make, you mustn't miss out on this piccata di pollo. So stay tuned everyone. I'll start things off by flouring my chicken slices. I've taken my chicken breast and then divided it, separated it and lightly beaten it with a tenderizer. The important thing is for them to all be the same thickness, and this way we'll be sure that they all cook evenly. I'll pour a bit of flour, covering every slice of chicken, and set them aside. Now, a chicken dish calls for some lemon, the perfect citrus fruit for this type of meat. First, I cut it in half and then into slices. I'll melt the butter in the pan and add some oil as well. Once the butter begins to froth, we're going to lay down our floured chicken slices. Remove any excess flour and cook them until they're nice and golden. And then let's give it a little pinch of salt. When we start to smell that lovely aroma, it means that it's already time to flip them. We're also going to salt the other side. Many people would already be satisfied with such a tender and buttery chicken, but we want to give ours a little something extra and take it to the next level. So let's remove it from the pan, and I'll cover it because otherwise it's going to dry out, and now we can prepare the fond. I'll squeeze in half of a lemon and some chicken broth, though water will also work fine. Now we're going to deglaze the fond, but more importantly we're going to cook it a little bit further, because as you can see it has already started getting much creamier. I'll add the lemon slices, we'll let it simmer for a little while longer and then put the chicken slices back in. Let's add a bit of flavor with some capers, which I've chopped up a bit, and some fresh parsley. You should know this is a dish that my dad always used to make for me. We'll let it cook for just another minute and then give it a bit more of a gourmet touch once we've taken it off the burner. Here we go. Let's add a few flakes of butter, a pinch of pepper, mix it up. And here is our chicken. When it comes down to it, it's a simple dish. I mean, if my dad managed to make it, as much as I love him, he wasn't an all-star in the kitchen. It's a simple dish, but it's really very good. Now I'll try it. Delicious. Even better than my dad's. Or equal. Ciao.